I'm Geoff Roe with Noble Ag. I'm the president. We're a multi-generation agribusiness. My great-grandfather moved to Florida back in the early 1920s and started shop in 1927. We've gone from mostly oranges to tangerines and became a significant tangerine player in the 70s and 80s. I'm a member of the fourth generation. I have cousins, siblings, all together part of it. And that's what's driving our business still today is developing new grows and transitioning most of our acreage from legacy varieties, whether those are old seedy tangerines or oranges, to new generation, easy to peel, fun to eat, consumer-driven varieties. So our family companies is based in Polk County in Winter Haven. We have operations in Manatee County, Highlands County, and Glades County. It covers many counties and impacts many families. Citrus greening, we've been dealing with that for about 20 years now. Then the bacteria quickly follows. We're dealing with bacteria that's endemic now, and it's very hard to establish new grows. It's very hard to keep the health of existing grows in production. Lately it's been hurricanes. Citrus trees are a permanent crop, so if you have a hurricane last year, chances are it's affecting you this year as well. So we really need 2 or 3 years in a row without a significant hurricane to be able to sustain crops year in, year out. Crop insurance, the last 10 years have taught us that it's not just this year. So we look at normal crop insurance as protecting this year's crop. We look at products like hurricane insurance protection as next year and the year after. You're always kind of on pins and needles during hurricane season. It definitely gives you some peace of mind to know that, you know, if worse comes to worse, you are protected. There's an ability to actually insure your real risk in those worst case scenarios. We're getting that money usually within 30 days of the storm. What are those family members doing that we employ? Do they still have a job as an employer? If there has to be a decision made to shut a farm down, and that means layoffs. With hurricane insurance protection, we can keep things moving, pay the bills. We as farmers, we don't want a handout. Whether it's crop insurance or hurricane insurance protection, making sure it works for the taxpayer as well as the farmer is important. It's the first tool from an insurance standpoint for citrus that I've been privy to that works, that truly works, that makes us go, we feel good about it. At the end of the day, whether we have a hurricane or we don't have a hurricane, I'm happy to pay the premium, whatever it is, and I'm happy to fight another year